Good morning, children. So in our today we are ready to discuss about our fourth class. Okay, in our fourth class I'm going to start. I want to discuss in continuation of our topic, Amma. Okay, what is the topic name? Shall I say? See here on screen what that is right to present. In our fourth class, animal living and what is that? Surviving. Animals are having the different. I already started explanation about the animals. Okay, living and surviving. Okay, na. For example, in our day-to-day life, we can see the different type of area people are there. So, same like that, animals are also ready to adapt the different type of environment. Some animals are there in a cool areas; they can ready to live, and some areas in the hot areas are ready to live. Yes or no? So these are the different kind of the animals are ready to present, Amma. Okay, na? I already explained about the desert area, what kind of the animals are ready to present. Okay, and in a cool areas, what kind of the animals are ready to present. I explained everything. Yes or no? Now we'll continue the remaining things. See that mountainous region. So this is a different type of mountains. You know mountains. So different type of mountains are there. I'll show photographs. See here. Mountainous regions. Mountains means, for example, yak living in the Himalayas. So Himalayas are right to just present in big hills, and mountains are right to present. Yes or no? So for example, you can see that yak. So the yak is ready to present in a Himalayas only because it is some different kind of the animal. So that kind of the animals are ready to present there only, and other area it is not present. Yes or no? So it is a special category of the animals are ready to present in there only. Understand, children? I'll explain. Listen carefully. The mountainous regions. So see here, which is a snow leopards, parts, yaks and musk. See what it will be all listed given. So snow leopards, yaks and musk, deer and are some of the animals living in the mountains. I will write it again. What is that? So snow leopards. Snow leopards. And next one, yaks. Just now we saw, yes or no? And next, musk deer. Musk deer. So are some of the animals living in the mountains. These are all kind of the things are right to present in a mountain area, mountain region. It will right to present. Okay, now children, understood all of you? Very simple. See, keep in your mind, the mountainous regions means snow leopards, yaks, musk deer, or some other. Okay, now. And another point, long thick curves and wavy coats of fur. See, first you can see the total points, then after that I'll explain to you. Long, what does it mean? Long hair, thick also, and curves and so wavy coats of fur that protect them from the low temperature of the hilly regions. So what I said that in a mountain areas, coolness is more coolness. So more coolness means how it is right to protect that kind of the what does it means? How it will try to protect that kind of the cool area. So temperature is very low. So that's why their skin has ready to present as a fur and long and thick. Okay, a wavy coat type of fur ready to present. So that's why that kind of the animals are ready to present, ready to live. Okay, now children, understood all of you? So these are called as a mountainous region. Mountain regions are ready to present very cool areas. It's nothing but cool areas. That cool area, some kind of the category of the animals are ready to present. What are the categories of the animals means like so snow leopards and yaks and musk deer are some of the animals living in the mountains. Okay, na children? And long thick curls and wavy coats of the fur that protect them from low temperature of highly hilly regions. So these are the different type of cool areas are ready to present to get the thickness, and skin is also thick. That's why the people they are ready to wear the different type of the sweater summer. Okay na? So same as right. See, larger hearts and lungs which allow them to live in the and breathe 18,000 feet above the sea level where the air has less oxygen. Okay, it's a very interesting point now. What does it mean? For example, in our day-to-day life, we need oxygen, correct or not? On our earth, we are ready to live by using of the oxygen for breathe, yes or no? So breathing, then we can live. And okay, so their lungs and hearts are larger, bigger hearts and bigger lungs are there. Why the bigger hearts and bigger lungs are there for the animals? Because of the reason, so it is allow them to breathe 18,000 feet, not only the small amount of 80 hill stations na. Hill station means according to the sea level 18,000 feet height it will be there above the sea level. That's why, so where the air is a less of oxygen, if you go for the higher levels the oxygen levels are less. If more height means more less amount of oxygen has to present, means the vice versa. How much of the height will grow, that kind of the oxygen will try to decrease. Increasing of a height, oxygen percentage has to decrease. So that's why we can go for that. Highly hill stations means automatically it is right to present. It is right to present that there is a big hearts and big lungs are present. Okay, now children, understood now all of you? And now next region is there is a polar regions. So polar regions, what does mean by polar? So polars means the polar bears are there na. I'll explain to you. Animals such as a polar bear, seal and walrus and penguins are adapted to live in the freezing conditions of the polar regions. See, some kind of the animals are there. What? Again, I will write it here. Such as a polar bears. Polar bears and seal. And next one, walrus. And penguins. And next one is a penguins. So these are the polar bears, seal and walrus, penguins. These are all the different kind of the animals are ready to adapt to stay in the particular polar regions. Polar regions are very cool regions. Is it correct? Freezing conditions. Yes or no? Freezing conditions means almost all minus degree centigrades are ready to present. That's why low temperatures has to present. So polar regions also right to present is a cool, right? Okay, children. Now these animals have developed the following adaptations to survive there. So what kind of the adaptations are there? I am going to explain to you. So we have some kind of the adaptations are right to present in their animals. Then only they can right to survive it. Okay, na? This is surviving of the animals, right? polar regions, I'm going to say that is a how they are right to survive. They have a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin to keep their body warm. In addition, it also serves as a source of energy during winter. You can see that in a winter time, what does it mean? See, they have a thick layer. See how we are right to protect our body with a coolness means we are right to wear the different type of clothes. Yes or no? But the animals are not like that. So animals are having one kind of the thick kind of layer has to present the below of the skin, like a fat. Okay, layer has to present, that is called as a fat, is a blubber. What we call blubber. So that is a blubber. So here this a blubber is there under their skin to keep their body warm. So that body has to become as a warm and looking like a some temperature means blubber has to use. Blubber means it is a thick layer like a fat will present below of the skin. In addition, it also serves as a sources of energy during winter. Sometimes in a winter season, it is a sources of energy. Okay, it will give energy to the particular body also. Okay, na clear, understood all of you? So here they have a thick fur on their body. Okay, see here they have a thick fur on their body which keep up their body warm and protects them from very harsh cold climates. So what does it mean in our cold and harsh climates are right to present? Yes or no? For example, I want to say that they have a thick fur on their body. So thick fur means there is a body has a thick fur means it is right to protect from the coolness. Means our body has to become as a warm means it will try to protect it. Okay, children, understood now? Okay, this harsh and cold climates also right to just protect. And polar regions, more points are there. Here the polar bear. Which kind of the things are polar bears are present? Yes or no? So polar regions are having this kind of the thick layer, and their animals are right to having the thick layers in their body, and it is right to protect the body from the coolness and make it as a warm. Yes or no? We call as a that kind of the thing is called as a blubber. Yes or no? Blubber. So this is in a winter season also it will try to protect their skin, and it is a sources of energy in a winter season. Okay, children. And if you go for this fur, there is a fur is a thickness. That's why once you see, I'll show this say polar bear. The polar bear, once you see the thickness is there or not, the skin is also more thicker than the other animals, because so that kind of the polar bears are all are right to present to protecting from the coolness. Otherwise it is a minus degree centigrades are present. More coolness means it is a difficult to survive in their areas. If you go for the visiting purpose also, we are right to protect our body, because it is a more minus degree centigrades are present. Minus degree centigrades we cannot bear. Okay, na? That kind of the animals only. What kind of the animals? What I said, animals names. What is that? Such as a polar bears, seal, walrus, and penguins. What is that? Polar bears, seal, walrus, and penguins. These are all the different type of kind of animals are right to present in that area only. Okay, na children, understood now? This is the polar regions are present. These many different kind of the animals. Okay. Okay, already I said that mountainous regions are there. So mountainous regions means in a mountain areas. Examples I said that what is that? Snow leopards, yaks, and musk deer, sorry deer, and some of the animals are living in a mountain areas only. These are the mountain areas. Also is a cool area. Okay, na? Understood, na children? Yes, that's it. Okay, these are the different type of regions are right to present, and different type of animals are right to present in a different areas. Okay, na children? So today what we explained, I explained about the okay, see here, snow leopards, yaks, and musk deer are some of the animals living in the mountains. So these are all are different type of animals are there. Okay, na? Right? Okay, once you see that, how it will be the mountain regions animals it will be present, I will show. See that yak. Okay, see that how yak will be ready to present. It is a more thickness. The fur is also thickness and the skin is also more thickness. Yes or no? And under this skin also it will be present some kind of the layers. That is called as a blubber. Okay, na? Understood, na children? All of you. Very interesting and very easy to say this. Okay. Okay. Okay, na children. So this is called as a our today's topic, and next tomorrow I will discuss the remaining things. Okay, na? Right? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Right.